Hey y'all, I've been sitting here for a good 3 or 4 minutes watching these butterflies. And there's some other little flying insect that's kind of bothering them. And then if you see just about 11 o'clock-ish, there's another moth, and it actually landed on the yellow one. So you can see these other little fly, and they're I don't know, it's the craziest thing. I had never seen anything like this. There were 4 a minute ago. I started with 3 and 4. Oh, I think the yellow one may have a hurt wing. See right there, y'all? Oh, it's definitely been eaten on. That's what it is. Oh, I hate this. It's not fun anymore, y'all. But that's nature at its finest. All right, y'all. Have a good Saturday, and Happy Father's Day to all you fathers. There's my main father in my life. Not my father, but y'all know what I mean. Love you so, Dan. Bye. All right. Peace out, y'all. Scratch Made Homestead.